we're going away from the ship. There it is up there. Oh, there's my towel and stuff. I've already been in the water, but I'll show you down here. I'm coming through here, and when I went down snorkeling, they said out where that flag is the shipwreck, but it's all covered in mollusk and everything. They said there might be fish there. No fish. Didn't see one fish the whole time I was in there, and my snorkel kept getting water in it. So I went out there, and then I tried to come back, and I wound up like way over there, you know. So I'm like, what? And I'm trying to get myself back there, swimming as good as I can, and it's like carrying me over there. So, but there's a boat over here. I'm gonna take a look at that here, I think, and see what this boat is here. But the island's kind of nice. Our ship is, I don't know, beyond the palm trees there or something, but it's kind of nice here. You got palms, a little volleyball court here, and a ship. They got stuff here you can buy. I already got my hat here, and I don't know what this is over here. Little rocks and stuff on there. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't read what that says over there, but anyhow, yeah, I think I'm gonna head back to the ship. Maybe have a brewski or something here. Okay, we're going away from the island here. Did my snorkeling. I missed the fish. Somebody else said they saw a lot of fish. I didn't see any. I drifted out to sea. I was out there. I had to come back. I did all my effort and everything, and still didn't make it back all the way. I had to get out and walk back then, so it was okay. But there it is. The people are still in the water. Right to the island. Real small island. Very, very small there, but they have some people there. We got a little entranceway and whatnot. Okay. There's a trusty sailboat out there.
Was that if the seaman accidentally lost the grip, so the wind will push him inside, inside the boat, so they will not fall down to the water. And generally it's more easier also if it's strong wind pushing on side, the ship is lean a little bit opposite, and it's better angle, easier to climb on the windward side. So all because of these good reasons, use windward side, and you can see all of them wearing the special safety harnesses. They connected to safety lines in case they accidentally lost the grip. So they will hang like a dog on this line and not fall down.
Ja, also die Order hit the rig haben wir gerade gehört, und so klettert unsere Mannschaft jetzt in die Banden. Sie sehen, sie klettern alle von der Steuerbordseite, und zwar immer der Seite quasi, wo der Wind sich noch gegen die Bande drückt. Also das ist auch nochmal eine Unterstützung zum Klettern, aber auch ja, aus Sicherheitsgründen, dass sie eher gegen die Banden gedrückt werden als von ihr weg. Und zusätzlich natürlich noch Ganzkörpergurte, sind zu jedem Zeitpunkt immer in den Banden festgekippt. Also sollte was passieren, sind sie zu jedem Zeitpunkt gesichert. Und mit diesen Full.
They are by small lines which go gasket, so the procedure goes ungasketing. So they release small lines, small gasket, they release it, and then they will push the sail a little bit away, and the sail will start to hang. Sail in position and secure to the yard. And they have to be really careful and vigilant. So if they forgot to release even one small gasket, when they all on deck, if they forgot it, it's very embarrassing for them, and all passengers watching, captain is watching, everybody watching, so they need to climb back and spend the time. And traditionally,
a little windy out out here. Didn't put my sponge cover on. Sorry.
Segel, wie man auf Englisch sagt, hanging on its own gear und sind dann also gleich bereit, gesetzt zu werden. Wir warten, bis das letzte Mannschaftsmitglied
completely stretched. We start with the windward side first, and the Ruben gives the orders to the crew which line they need to flex, which line they need to haul.
Yeah, that one is raising up there. Up very slowly. You can see it going up there.
nach oben befördern sozusagen, denn diese und dieses Top-Gallet sind höhenverstellbar. Das ist die Stabilität. Das heißt, wenn die Segel nicht gesetzt sind, werden sie wieder nach unten gelassen, um eben den Schwerpunkt des Schiffes zu vertiefen. Und das passiert jetzt über die sogenannte Halyard, dass die Rahn nach oben bewegt wird. Das sehen wir jetzt hier ganz schön steuerbordsseitig, wo der Holzblock nach unten kommt. Die Halyard ist aufgeteilt auf 5 Leinen, wie wir das ganz schön sehen können. Denn es wird ein enormes Gewicht hier in dem Fall befördert. Die Rahn, die Masten aus Stahl sind, können 3-4 Tonnen wiegen. Das heißt, das Gewicht auf dieser Halyard ist enorm und deswegen ist sie aufgeteilt auf diese 5 Leinen.
Wooden block, you can see the wooden block around, when the wind is strong, yeah, so this wooden block can be shaking violently and can harm someone. This is why the seamen give them special name called widowmaker. Yeah, and there is in the past some women became widows. Now we need to adjust a little bit the sail. The course is a little bit different from the other sail because it has no gravity roll and it's connected to the directly to the deck by means of 2 lines. As you know, there are 2 lines for this. This line is going up, this line is going with the sail and this is with the sail on the this line. Yeah, and each this line, clean the sail and adjust the